Hello, welcome back to Plat du Jour on Tour. Oh, I recognize you over there. And you too there. Thank you all for coming back. For the new one, I am Gérard. Hello.
You may guess from where I come from.
With my Irish accent. You are on a channel that reveals all those little secrets to succeed in cooking. For getting more hints and secrets like those, maybe it's a good idea for you to subscribe. Thank you for watching all my videos. Now watch till the end to see the free variant called the Egg Benedict Florentine, the Egg Prosciutto di Parma, and the Extravagant Egg Benedict Royale. Now, without further ado, let's start to make those beautiful eggs Benedict.
Let's start by a classic Hollandaise sauce with 200 grams of butter, 4 yolks, 2 spoons of lemon juice, and seasoning, salt, white pepper, and cayenne. In a bain-marie, let's clarify the batter. That means separating the butter with a little milk. Let's separate 4 eggs carefully. We will save the white for making soufflé or meringue. Today, I show you another way to make a Hollandaise with a stick blender. We put all the ingredients in a jug: eggs, lemon juice, seasoning, and white pepper. As you can see, the butter is clarified. It's called a ghee. In the bottom, you can see the solid milks and water. They can be used in mashed potato or rice. We will boil briefly the clarified butter and pour it very carefully on the eggs. Don't vitamize for too long. Add a spoon of liquid if it's a little bit too thick. You will obtain a quick, easy, creamy and delicious Hollandaise for your eggs Benedict.
Now we're ready. We got our Hollandaise ready behind me, and
now we have the muffin, we have the bacon, and we have the eggs ready to do the egg Benedict.
do you know where the name come from? Oh, it's a funny story. That was a question to the exam in Melbourne a few years ago with a student. He said, where the name Benedict come from? And that was in 1894 in New York. There was a customer called Lemuel Benedict, a hangover broker, arrived to the Waldorf Hotel and asked grilled bacon with a toast and butter and poached eggs with Hollandaise. Special breakfast.
The maître d',
Oscar Cherky, he liked it so much, the meal, that he put it to the menu for the breakfast at the hotel and for the lunch. Then we add a few different variety. Before with the toast, but it comes, we use a muffin now. Okay? Here's for the story. Let's go, because it's fun. Now we're going to go fast. Okay, first we put some boiling water in a pan and let's boil. Number 2, we put the bacon in a little pan to crisp. Right? Let's do that. Toast. Number 3, we're going to boil the eggs. But what's happened? We break the eggs and in a filter, in a sieve. Now what's happened? We have a little bit of liquid, see, not much, and like that. Ready. We got my little spoon ready as well to turn.
the bacon is ready. Now we toast the muffins.
Now the water is boiling. What we do, the vortex system. We turn the water and we add a little bit of white vinegar. It doesn't make anything, only giving just a little bit of taste, that's all. Now, I put the eggs carefully, and you see when it's turning. Now we turn, beautiful. And you see, you do a little packet. And you know, when I did that in a filter with a strainer, I removed the liquid of the white, and now we got just a beautiful
Poached egg. Now I set up my alarm for 3 minutes.
As you can see, the water is simmering. When you hit the bell, it'll be ready. I'll be putting on to run the water on the paper. The toast are ready.
And now we are getting our egg.
In a scoop with holes. Beautiful. You're ready to dish up now. Okay, what's happened? Quickly, you have to butter the two toast. Then you put a little bacon. What we do now, carefully, this little white, beautiful. And what's happened? You just knot nicely. Okay? And you get your breakfast ready, madam. If you want, you can put that in the oven, even make a little bit on the grill. You have to be careful not to burn. We have set up the table. When we go for breakfast, it could be a Father's Day breakfast or a Mother's Day breakfast, and that looks yummy. Perfect. Beautiful little hat. Oh, nice, nice. To finish off, we'll put a little bit of parsley with a little bit of decoration. It's ready to eat. Let's bring that to the table. Look at that. And it's really good. All is warm. The plate is still warm. And I'll be doing my breakfast. Now, for fun, I'm going to show you another way to poach the eggs. Water is boiling. I want to do another one quickly. So you take the bowl and you cut. And put your egg in it. And you do a knot. Again. Okay. And I got one egg. Another one for the third. I want to show you now the 3 different ways to cook the egg Benedict. Well, my water is simmering. I check the temperature, 85. Perfect. All right. Then I put my eggs in the water. And that's it. I won't have any problem with broken or whatever. I put my a timer on 3 minutes for the small one and 5 minutes for the big one, the double one. For the 1 egg, okay, drain on the paper there, and we leave the second one. The one with double eggs, we leave an extra 2 minutes. Let's cut the second one. Oops. Oh great, now we're going the first poached eggs, different method. It's the one with
Prosciutto.
We put a little bit of avocado, and this one, you make a little nest and you put 1 egg in it. Here's a baby egg, oh yeah, yummy. And oh nice, look at this. You can serve that on the table. Okay, that's the one with
Prosciutto.
Ready to eat. Look how shining it is. Now for the second one, we cook some mushroom, and the mushroom we use, it's a nice little Swiss mushroom. Just we burn a little bit, and after we'll be melting with the spinach. Now for the second veggies, for the vegetarian one, we put a bit of water, a bit of salt and pepper. And for the vegetarian one, I use the toast, country toast bread. Okay. Put just a bit of butter. Now we got some peas, a little puree of peas, nice, make a nice toast. All right, and now here's my tongue, and we fill up a little bed, little nest with all the spinach and this little mushroom. That really tastes the forest. When you look at that, it tastes very nice. It's a brand Swiss mushroom, very tasty, and I use them a lot. Now you put your delicate little eggs, and it's not finished, there's more. And look at this. Oh mamma mia, very nice, very nice. And now guys, la pièce de résistance. Where are we? We just put on a bed of brioche. Just a little bit of butter because it's got plenty here. Now, what do you do? On a little bit of salad, you don't need much. You display this very nice salmon on the top. Then you add prawn, nice prawn. Okay? In each prawn, you put some capers, 2 capers in each hole, and anchovy as cross. Guess what? On this one, la pièce de résistance. Now, on this one, special privilege. We make the Hollandaise pink now. How we do that? Easy. You don't need much because you take 1 spoon, a little bit of tomato sauce, not too much, and you try. See the color it got. You can put a little bit more. Goodie. That'll be nice. Now that's a Hollandaise made with tomato sauce. And as you say in France, voila. Pink, tasty on the double egg. And put that in here. All right. What do you think of that? Oh, that's nice. Somebody will be happy to eat that. Thank you to Mr. Lemuel Benedict, who in 1894 organized this recipe. Thank you guys and enjoy your breakfast.